We're going to look at how to use the quick select tool. So the first thing I need you to do is come over here, and if you come down to this tool right here and click on it, hold your mouse down and choose quick select. What I then want you to do, you can come up here and you can actually set the size of the brush that you want. So I'm going to set it to about 46. Hardness, I'm going to bring back some and leave the spacings fine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the background here. Come over, just click and drag the background like so. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to come up to, and I'm going to choose inverse. That will inverse my selection. I'm then going to choose selected mask. You then need to come over here and you can play with the radius if you want to a little bit. You can make the side smooth if you want to, but I'm happy with the way it looks there. I'm going to come down here, choose selection, and then go new layer with layer mask, and okay. Now to export that out, you need to go to File, and I'm going to say come down to Export, and let's come down to Save for Web. And here you can set the size that you want, and once you've set the size that you want, then just click Save on your document. And that is using the Quick Select tool in Photoshop.